How to secure your PayPal account with security key. Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to secure your PayPal account with security key. First thing, you want to log into your PayPal account via a web browser. So open up any browser that you have, type in PayPal. So once you type in paypal.com, you just want to make sure to log into your account. As you're logged into your account, you will then be taken to the home page. Here, you want to tap the menu bar from the left hand side corner and go to settings from the list, or just tap the gear icon. After you do this, you want to make sure to go to the security section. When you go to the security, you want to tap setup next to two-step verification options. Then you have to select use a security key. Once you do this, you could also find it here in the menu bar, security, or in your profile, you could also find it here. Then you have to tap setup next to two-step verification options, and then select use a security key. After which, you want to follow the on-screen instructions to plug in and use USB key, enter its PIN or if applicable, and activate it. And this is how you're supposed to secure your PayPal account with a security key. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.